Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I would be going to discuss about trisection and forsection in coordinate geometry. Get started. Trisection is the line segment divided three equal parts. A, B, C, D, 4 points is there. Each point have a coordinate x and y values there. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. This is trisection. AB is to BD is 2:1 ratio. BC is to CD also 1:1 ratio. AC is to CD 2:1 ratio. So here the coordinate of B for section formula is enough. Then coordinate of C is the midpoint of BD. Then midpoint formula is enough. So here first coordinate of B section formula 1:2 ratio. Coordinate of C midpoint of BD. So midpoint formula is enough. Otherwise AC is to CD 2:1 ratio. Then B is the midpoint of AC. Which method is easy? That method can follow. First section formula after midpoint formula. Problem exercise 7.2 question number 2. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. x1 4, s2 -2, y1 -1, y2 -3. First AB is to BD is 1:2 ratio, m1 1, m2 2. This is a section formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. X is equal to put the values s2 -2, m1 1, m2 2, then x1 4, then m1 plus m2 1 plus 2, then 8 minus 2 6 by 3 2, x is equal to y m1 1, y2 -3, y1 -1, put 1 plus 2, that is -5 by 3. The coordinates of B is 2, -5 by 3. Next coordinates of C. C is the midpoint of BD. C is the midpoint of BD. So midpoint formula is enough. x1 plus s2 upon 2 is equal to x1 is equal to 2, s2 is equal to -2, 2 plus -2 upon 2 is equal to 0, y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equal to y1 is equal to -5 by 3 plus y2 -3 by 2, that is -7 by 3. The coordinate C is 0 -7 upon 3. First section formula followed midpoint formula. Then for section, the line segment divided for equal parts. Here AC is equal to CD is equal to D is equal to EB. D is the midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of BD. So in for section formula is not need, midpoint formula is enough. Midpoint formula is derived from section formula. So for EC, for section, midpoint formula is enough. No need to section formula. Midpoint. On problem, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A -2 to B 28 into 4 equal parts. So D is xy, midpoint formula. D is the midpoint of AB. -2 plus 2 by 2 is 0. Then y 2 plus 8 by 2, 10 by 2 5. So D is 0 5. C is the midpoint of AD. Then put value x1 plus s2, that is -2 plus 0 by 2 -1. Then y is equal to 2 plus 5, that is 7 upon 2. Then C is minus 1, 7 upon 7 by 2. E is the midpoint of DB. D and B this one. X is equal to 0 plus 2 by 2, 1. Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Y is equal to 5. Y2 is equal to 8. That is 13 by 2. That is E is 1, 13 by 2. So for section, midpoint formula is enough. Trisection, first section formula followed, midpoint formula here over trisection, and for section of line segment in coordinate geometry. Thank you for